Areas that the course covers include health and safety, environmental working, site and drainage considerations, the history and types of artificial grass, tools and equipment, batch matching and installation processes, as well as maintenance and aftercare. Our expert team of instructors will explain the necessity for using the correct tools and equipment, in addition to the best ways to stay safe while in the working environment. On successful completion of the course, attendees will be awarded with a Lantra Certificate of Competence and a Skills Identity Card. The attendees will also be entitled to apply for an artificial grass installer Blue Skilled LISS CSCS Card via BALI, which is a requirement to work on a commercial site.
I think it's a good addition to proving to people that you have something behind you that has real strength, real weight, a new thing in the market that's never been necessarily done before. People will value that in terms of seeing that you are part of a big brand that can facilitate to do the training and teach others how to do the correct methods of the installation.
It's a long overdue qualification in the industry. Hopefully it will allow us to separate ourselves from people who don't have the same passion and the skill to give customers what they really need when having artificial lawn. I think it's a good thing that Evergreens have got the opportunity to do this. They've been by far way ahead in the artificial grass industry forever, and they're always at the forefront of new pioneering techniques and very, very passionate about laying grass to an immaculate level. And yeah, I think it's the right choice to have Evergreens roll this out for the nation.